Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.
Happy Friday, Team Bella, and welcome to the channel. It's me, Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. And yes, I'm late, but I'm here with another edition of Faith Friday. So we are going to be planning out the week of September 20th through the 26th. This is the first week of fall. And I've already gone in and I've laid down my washi tape. Now, before we jump into the video, 3 things, if you will. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoy the content. Also, I'd love to hear from you below. Have you broken out your fall washi? Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with the Simply Gilded washi. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, I would like to extend that warm welcome to you at this time. Just hit the subscribe button below and don't forget about the notification bell. So this week in my faith planner, this is the color scheme and I am so super excited. The burgundy, the mauve, and then I just received this paisley pumpkin washi tape from Simply Gilded. It literally just came in the mail today. So I am excited to be able to crack it out and use it almost right away. This week, our Bible reading comes from Joshua chapter 3, verses 5. And we are talking about how the priests were carrying the ark over into the Jordan River during the time that the Israelites were coming into the promised land. And how God really blesses acts of faith. So feel free to join us for that Bible reading. Okay, so let me show you what I have planned. We are going to be using stickers from Hello Fall, Live Love Posh. And I don't think I used these last week, but I could have. I'm pretty sure that I did, but I'm obsessed, so it's okay. So these are the stickers that I'm using. Is that not that color? That colorway is just gorgeous. This teal butterfly was my inspiration to use this teal washi tape. So these are the pages we're going to use. I think it's only 2. Yeah. So these 2 pages, and that's what we're going to use to build out the spread. In terms of colorful boxes, I have the new Mojo Jojo Plans Autumn sticker book, and in here there are some beige stickers. So these color stickers, I thought that those could work, and then I wanted to highlight them with using all my things these functional pastels from Fancy Plans. All right. So those are the colors we're going to kind of put together and really build out our spread. I really could do a burgundy, but the burgundy, this is the burgundy. Well, this is kind of the burgundy. So I may be using the burgundy and mixing it with the beige, but either way, that's how we're going to do it. So I definitely want to do it a little differently than we did last week. I want to put this maybe on the bottom, but that really takes up a lot of my space. So we're definitely not using that. Not at all, not at all, not at all. But I'm going to pull this sticker sheet up here so that I can put this back down. So we'll just go ahead and remove the white part from here. So I hope everyone's had a great week. That's Amazon at my door, if you are hearing something. So here we go. And this is, all right. All right, here we go. So we're going to put that back down. We're still going to use it, but we're not going to use it like that. I just really want to use these, this decor to really highlight my spread. So let's see what we can put up first. I think we can go ahead and grab a beige box And I will even do the one with the lines. I'm not a big fan of the boxes with the lines, but they're good to write on. So it's not a bad thing. It's just like my personal preference. So let's see where we could put this one. I think I want to put this one like right here. And then I'm going to hold it up like this. I'm going to grab this and put that there. I think this little butterfly would look so cute over here underneath this. So let's put that butterfly there. Okay. And then let's put a little mauve on it. I'm going to pull these mauve stickers out because I think definitely up here we can put our title of at least the Bible reading that we're reading this week. Okay. Put that there. Okay. And then for that one, I think I want to do one of these little quarter boxes like that. Let's see. I don't think it's bad, but I don't love it. How about let's put this up here? Okay. That's fine. And this week, instead of doing those circle bullet points, I'm just going to be using flags. I think it'll look nice. So we're going to just turn the flags to the side and just put a couple down. So definitely there. Okay. Now, the next thing we are going to add is we are going to do the mauve box. And wonder if we can just bring it along here. Can we put it overlap it a little bit like that? Where, I don't know if I like it. That's why I didn't put it all the way down. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. All right. But we are going to be putting this beautiful floral down here. Gotta put our florals on here. Because I just think the florals just make my little spread here. So anything to tie things in and, you know, pull it all together for us. We're here for that. Okay. So hopefully I did not butcher the paper. Okay. Very good. And very good. Okay, I'm gonna lay those right over here. Okay. Now, when I come to lay that box on there, we can certainly kind of lay it right here. And it's fine that it is coming there. I normally don't write really long things. I try to just jot down notes. Because if I write lengthy things, it's hard to remember things that are lengthy, but just notes, you know, in general are fine. Okay, let's see. Can we pull that up? We can pull that up. All right. So it looks like I need to pull this up and remove the washi tape, but I also have this. So let's put this right here. Okay, perfect. And so we're gonna add another butterfly. I'm loving these butterflies. They are the cutest. And maybe we put a butterfly and one of these smaller florals. Okay. So we can actually come and put this over here in the corner, and let's put our butterfly right there. Cute. All right. I like this. I think we can use this to write something on here, up here in this area. Let's see how we do on the other side. Alrighty. So on the other side, I am going to actually get a box that does not have writing on it. This one can go right here on the corner. And I'm actually going to cut this white part from off the washi. Okay. Okay. And we can take this one and put this right here along that box, okay? Here in that area, we can come back with our functional pastels. And let's add some more of those mauve color flags there. All right, perfect. Now, I think what I want to do is, first of all, over here where this lamp is, nope, unless I move this butterfly, and I think I will move that butterfly. Does it look weird there? I don't think it does. I don't think I'm gonna put this there. I think I'm gonna grab this one and really save it for the other one. But I do want to get a box and add this to the box. Like that little, that is so cute to me right there. Okay, so let's see if we can get a brown, another brown box and just put that there, one with lines. Okay, I don't have one with lines. I don't have one with lines. But we'll grab this one that doesn't have lines and we will put it, I want to put it like right here. Okay. All right. And then we will grab our functional pastels again, and we will get us another colorful box to layer on top of it. Okay. All right. I think that that's cute. The only thing that's missing from this other page is the butterfly. So let's see. Can we put a butterfly down in the corner? Down here? I think so. I think it's cute. All right, let's go to our daily Bible writing. This is for the Bible reading, Joshua 3-5. Then we're gonna just jump on over here. Okay. I think I want this to come up here. Ooh. Let's just come up a little bit. It's extremely, that sticker is extreme. Oh, I tore it. It's extremely sticky. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to come right about here. Okay. And to cover that, okay, that's fine. Okay, and boom. Now, we're gonna put that there like that. Last week, what I did was, y'all, this Okay. So that's where we're going to write our scripture for the day. I would like to put our butterfly on the bottom here. Perfect. And I'm thinking maybe we pull the butterfly up. Okay. Let's put him right there. And let's come. Oh my God, guys, this paper is so sticky. Ooh. I've torn the sticker paper. Okay. Let's see.
All right, Team Bella. So here I'm just jumping in and putting the finishing touches on this weekly Bible writing plan. I laid that sticker down and I just didn't like how it looked. So I started pulling florals from the second part of the spread. I decided to put that beige sidebar sticker there from Mojo Jojo Plans. And I feel like for me it grounded the spread. Then the next thing I am going to work on is same color paper that I used from last week, but I feel it matches well for my sermon notes. And I just decorate that and used a large floral there. And I finished the bottom off with another floral in a mauve colorful box.
Well, that completes my plan with me, and I am all set. Weekly Bible reading. This is congregation book study. And then last but not least, my sermon notes. And I'm good to go. And I just love how this copper / rose goldy color is playing off of the colors that are in the washi tape. So that completes the plan with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bible reading again is Joshua 3-5. If you enjoyed 3 things for me, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Jill Bella.